Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your iPhone in 2025. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to save your Keynote presentations as PDFs directly on your iPhone. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves creating presentations, this quick guide will save you time and hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Keynote app installed on your iPhone. It's pre-loaded on most devices, but if not, head to the App Store and download it for free. Once that's sorted, open the app and select the presentation you want to convert. You'll see your files listed. Tap on the one you're working with to open it. Now, with your presentation open, look for the share icon. It's usually in the top right corner, represented by a square with an arrow pointing upward. Tap that, and a menu will pop up with various options. Scroll down or look for Export or Share As. This is where the magic happens. In the Export menu, select PDF as your format. Keynote makes this straightforward, but if you want to customize, you can choose things like page range or layout settings. For example, if your presentation has animations, decide if you want them included in the PDF. Once you're happy with the options, tap Export or Save as PDF. Next, you'll be prompted to choose where to save the file. You can save it directly to your iPhone's Files app, or even share it via email, messages, or cloud services like iCloud or Dropbox. Hit Save or Share, and voila! Your Keynote file is now a neat PDF. One quick tip: if you're dealing with a large file, it might take a moment to process, so be patient. Also, double-check the file quality in your Files app to ensure everything looks good. There you have it, folks. Saving a Keynote as a PDF on your iPhone is easier than ever in 2025. This method keeps your presentations professional and shareable on the go. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more iPhone hacks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.